Hey kids, welcome back to Dad's Whypedia Shorts, where every why becomes a wow. Today's exciting question is, why can birds fly but we cannot? This was again asked by my son Rudrangshu. Let's find out. Step 1. Birds have wings instead of arms. Their wings are wide and light, perfect for pushing air. Step 2 is, birds also have strong chest muscles. These muscles flap the wings up and down and help lift the bird into the air. Step 3. Birds' bodies are lightweight. Many of their bones are hollow, which makes flying easier. Now what about us? We have arms, not wings. Our muscles are not made for flying, and our bodies are much heavier. Quick science fact: when birds flap their wings, they create lift, a force that pushes them upward against gravity. Humans don't have the right body shape or wings to make lift on our own. So kids, birds fly because their bodies are designed for the sky, and we walk because our bodies are designed for the ground. Keep asking why, keep exploring. See you in the next Dad's Whypedia short.